Andy here, and I'm going to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my July update to the Panopoly Project Pan. So if you'd like to see all the progress I made, we're so close to a full refresh. We just have one product rolling over it, and let's get into it. All the details, everything I'm wearing will be listed down below. But this was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner and is a game board inspired project. You use dice to travel around the board, do what the prompt you land on says. You start with 5 prompts and it's rolling style from there. As of right now, I believe I'm going to end this at the end of the year, but we shall see how that goes. Let me go grab all of my products, get all set up, and we will get right on into it. We got a visitor. Let's see if he'll let me pick him up. Oh, he's running away. Well, Blazemere says hello, but I have all my products, and let's go ahead and just get right on into it. The one that's been in the longest was for Wheel 3, which is most used, and that is in my eyeliner category. This is my most used eyeliner, and it is from love+craft+beauty, and it is in the shade Stripped. It's just a nude. It's in my waterline today. I had a 20 use goal on this guy, and I met my 20 uses on June 5th. So, yeah, I have another one of these. This is the only eyeliner in my collection I have a backup of because, like, and it's getting to the point where it doesn't want to turn in my sharpener. Once, like, I'm not going to take pliers to this to, like, help sharpen it. Like, I'll ask Ian to turn it to sharpen it. I will do that. But, like, once it gets to the point where we can't get it to turn in my sharpener, like, it's too small and too tiny, I'm calling it done. So, yeah, I've used it a total of 20 times. I hit my goal, and so it got 20 more uses, and I am very much happy about that. I don't think it's the best eyeliner. I'm actually not very excited that I have a backup of this. But I honestly do think that the formula of this has changed over time. I think my new one is creamier because I've swatched it, and I just think that this is thicker as I've gotten towards the bottom. So maybe I just will like the new one a little bit better. But I did hit my goal on this guy, and that is super, super, super exciting. So let me just do this. I didn't get out my highlighter of justice. So there we go. Next we had choose your own wheel. So I picked wheel 2 and I got primer. And then I got the roll your dice. So I had a 7 use goal on this Huda Beauty Easy Blur primer. I ended up only getting 3 uses out of this, and then she is an empty. I fully, we can get a little bit more out of her, but it's an empty. I squeezed it, I contorted it, I moved it all around. It's probably just settled, and now there's a little bit more in there. But for all intents and purposes, this is an empty. This is the second one of these that I've gone through, and I do really like this primer. I'm not a huge blurring primer fan, but I think this does a really good job. I think it feels really nice on the skin, and I would get this again, to be honest with you. So yeah, goal met and an empty, which is always exciting. Blazemere, you're back. Do you want to say hello? You haven't said hi in a video in a long time, Bubba. Come here. Oh, say hello. Say hello. No, you don't need on the desk. You do not need on the desk. He is scraggly looking. He just woke up. He wants on my desk real bad. But he says hello. Oh. He says hello. Oh. Oh. We're not on the desk. Oh, I love you. Oh. And now there's Blazemere hairs everywhere. All right, now that we've had that beautiful interruption, the next one we had was roll dice, and when you roll the dice, whatever I believe the purple die is the wheel that you get. So I got wheel 5, which was a lip. So I pulled in this Maybelline Color Sensational, right? The Ultra Matte lip in the shade More Sepia, which is just this nice brown color. Love it. It's a beautiful matte. It blends up, like it's still really creamy. Blends out really nicely. Gorgeous color. Loved this. I got all 10 uses on it. And I met my goal on June 3rd. Getting ahead of myself here. So met my goal on June 3rd, and that is a rollout. Dun 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 dun. Our one and only rollover, which will be a rollout for next month, but it's just not quite a rollout this month, and I could push my update back a little bit, but I'm fine with just working on it. It's fine. We had Choose Your Own Wheel again. I got that a lot last update. So I got Wheel 6 is what I picked, which I got Franken, which I now have a couple Frankens. But this was the closest thing at the time I had to a Franken. And it was my repressed Alamar Cosmetics highlighter. This was from the Viva Las Chicas palette. This is the shade La Extra. It had a cream blush in it, a powder blush, which I loved those. But the cream blush dried out super, super quickly. It was just gross. The powder blush was pretty, but it was just a pink that I had. But I really wanted to save this highlighter, so I did. And I had a 20-use goal on this guy. Apparently, when you get that prompt, you're only supposed to do a 5-use goal. But I rolled from choose your own use, and I got 20 uses. I am sitting at 14 uses. So this only has 6 more to go. But I'm working on quite a few other highlighters. So I'm dipping and dabbling in some other things. It is not what I'm wearing today. So this should be a rollout for next update, no problem. But it is not a rollout today. And that is okay. We don't have to have a full refresh every month. That is fine. And the last one we were working on, I got Choose Your Own Wheel again, which to me takes the fun out of it. I don't want to choose my own wheel. So I chose Wheel 4 and I got powder. So I brought in this Ofra finishing powder in Fair, and I got Roll Your Dice, and I only got a 3 times use. So this is the finishing powder. I did use it 3 times. And I did not finish it in those 3 uses, so the weights that you're seeing are the accurate weights for those 3 uses. But I then went on to continue to use this, and I finished it after getting those 3 uses. So she gone. You will see this in my empties. So that is super, super exciting. But we have an empty powder. We have an empty powder. We have an empty primer. So exciting. So that is going to do it for what I was working on. So we're rolling in 4 items. So I'm going to scooch on over here and screen record, and we will get it on going. 3, 2, 1. This is where we currently are on the board. We were on Choose Your Own Wheel, that Choose Your Own Wheel. So we are going to go to Roll Your Dice and see how far we go. We got an 11. That's crazy. 11. So Wheel 6. Wheel 6. Okay, let's go back. Wheel 6. Spin the wheel. What are we getting? What are we getting? In your purse. I don't keep makeup in my purse. I have one lip balm that's not even in my inventory because it's strictly a in my purse lip balm. It does not leave my purse. And then I have a fragrance that is in my purse. But I don't want to include those in this project because they're strictly in my purse. Like, they do not leave my purse, and I do not wear them with other things. I just, if I happen to be out and about and need to reapply them, like, I'm not a keep makeup in my purse. I don't bring, like, to reapply, like, I'm not bringing an eyeliner or a lip liner with me. I personally, I don't have in your purse things. I'm gonna respin. I'm sorry. Try a new technique. Try new technique. technique. So let me see what I need to do for that. Try a technique that is new to you. Okie dokie. So I will have to look something up and figure out how to do, like, to try a new technique. So let's see where we're going from there. We got a 3. So 1, 2, 3. We got wheel 3. I don't really like the new technique one either, but here we are. Wheel 3. Oldest. Okay, so oldest in one of my categories. And how many times do I have to use it? Choose your use. Okay, so we're going to the dice. How many times? Choose use. Dice. 5 times use. Okay, so where are we going? We got a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wheel 4. Okay. So I'll really have to think about oldest. We got bronzer. I can do that. How many uses? A 20 times use goal. I can also do that. I know exactly what bronzer I'm going to bring in. A 2. Oh, we were so close to go to jail. Wheel 3 again. And newest. I have a bunch of newest items to me, so that is fine. How many times do I have to use this newest product? 10 times use. Alright, I'm going to go figure out what those products are going to be, and I will be right back to show them to you. Alright, I have my products, and I have the technique that I'm going to do. That took me a second. But let me get out a makeup wipe so I can swatch these items for you. The technique that I'm going to try is the new, like, blush transition blush draping from the under eye to your cheek with Patrick Ta did not start it, painted by Esther did, but with the transition blushes to the under eye with the powder. I'm gonna try that because I normally pick one blush. Like, I do cream, but I have one blush that's a cream, and then I do one blush that's a powder, and they're usually the same color, if not a very similar color to match. So I'm gonna try that technique, and I will have to either film it for you guys to put it in the video to show that I did it, or I will have to take a photo and insert the photo for you to show you that I did it and how it turned out. For oldest, and this is crazy because it's a 5 times use goal, I'm bringing in my oldest eyeshadow palette, and that is my Natasha Denona Mini Retro. I did say I wanted to get more love on this year. I have used it twice, no pan left behind, so I'd love to see a pan in this year, because I think by the end of this year I might declutter this. So I'm gonna just 5 looks with this palette, that whether that's using all 5 shades all 5 times or just this shade 5 times, doesn't matter. 5 looks with this palette and I will be happy. So there is that. For Wheel 4 bronzer, for a 20 times use goal, I'm bringing in my Franken bronzer. This is from the Smashbox contour palette. So this is the contour and bronzer shade mixed together. And I created this powder because I just had so little left of the contour shade that I just mixed them together. And this is all I have left. So we'll see how many uses 20 uses gets me. But this is the bronzer I would like to work on. It's what is currently on my face. And last but not least, for newest, I got bronzer all over my paper. For newest, I bought this hard candy, what are you called? Cream and powder duo in the shade Main Character. So this is what she looks like. You do get a flappy flap over the cream. So here we are. So I have not even swatched this, so let's do that. So like I said, this is the shade Main Character. So there's the blush. It looks, where did it go? It's dewy, for sure. And it's buildable. Okay, I don't hate it. And the powder, ooh, that is thick. Thick and chalky. It's giving like a blush lighter situation. Like, it's blushy, but it's highlightery too. So I will be interested. I have a 10 use goal on this to see how I feel about this guy. Because if I like it, I would love to go get it in more shades. That's the first shade that I picked because I thought the mauve-y tones would be the best to try out. So those are the products that I'm bringing in, the technique that I'm going to try out at some point over the next month. And that is everything that I'm going to do for this update. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that is going to do it. So if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.